today. I've just been trying to blow this balloon up and I just can't do it. So my dad came up with an experiment to help me.
Yeah. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this baking soda and this vinegar, and it makes a gas. You know what kind of gas that is?
My dad's fart. It's rotten. He smells like rotten eggs.
No, it makes carbon dioxide. So what we've done is we've already put some baking soda in here, right? What we're gonna do is we're gonna put it over top of this, and we're gonna dump it in the bottle and see if it'll blow the balloon up for you. Ready? Whoa.
Ooh, it's getting cold.
It's getting cold? Whoa.
Cool, huh?
That is very
It worked.
Thanks, Dad.
Tie it real quick. See?
Wait, no, my bigger knife! If you liked our video, subscribe at the button, give it a thumbs up. Bye.